Today I'll be explaining some terms in this whole data thing. So let's start with the first one, which is data. What is data? Data is the information you collect and use. Okay, a classroom where they have 100 students. I walk into the classroom and I ask, how many students are here? And they say 100. I write it down. Can I have your names? Then I document their names down. That is data. So that list now is what we refer to as data. So the next one is data collection. Data collection is more like me walking into primary 1, primary 2, primary 3, asking all of them for their data. The list I'm holding is the data, but that of me asking them doing all that is collecting the data. So the next one, after collecting this data, what happens next? Data cleaning comes in. Maybe while I was documenting it, I made a mistake somewhere. So I just look into it to see if maybe I missed some words or I missed some numbers. So I just have to look through it to edit it and all that. That is more like proofreading and editing. The next thing is data validation. Start cleaning it. I have to look at it one more time to say you don't miss anything. Then you go through it again. More like looking at it to be sure that you didn't miss anything. If you are very sure that maybe in one of the rows where you wrote about numbers, there's no alphabet there, you have to make sure that the one you wrote alphabet, there's no number there. The one you wrote dates, make sure that you did not write somebody's name under it. When you see that everything is perfect, that is when you go into data visualization. So data visualization now is more like representing that data into pictures and graphs. For instance, there's this quote I hear a lot since I joined this whole data, so I'm hearing it a lot. Pictures are worth more than 1,000 words. People understand better when they see this visual. Like all those lists you have collected, you can represent them as pictures, you can turn them into pictures. Next thing I want to talk about is the difference between data analysis and data analytics. Data analysis is that act of analyzing your data. Simple as that. That data you're holding in your hand, that is what you're analyzing, looking at it. There's error, there's this, there's that. That is analyzing it. And then analytics comes in when you are going to use tools like Tableau, Excel to make that work easier for you. And then the last thing I want to talk about is about the categories in this whole data stuff. Some people do not want to be data analysts. Some people want to be engineers. Some people want to be scientists. So today I want to just run through all of them briefly. So now, who are the scientists? Like data scientists, they collect data to solve mysteries and tell you what will happen in the future. So if you have a business and you give them your data, they're going to look at it, study it, weigh it, and tell you what it's going to look like in the nearest 4 years. So the next one is data engineer. They are the ones that collect, store, and prepare data to be used. A data analyst. What is the work of a data analyst? Data analyst interprets data and turn it into meaningful insights. We use tools like Excel, Tableau, and Power BI to do all this. I just hope that this video was self-explanatory to some level. As time goes on, we'll add more and correct some. So thank you for watching this video this far. I really appreciate it. I don't take your patience for granted. Thank you so much. Like, subscribe, and share my video. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Ciao.